Welcome to Chapter 8, which is Posting the Show. In this chapter, we will cover everything you need to know to get your show online and out to the people. We will assemble all the elements that we need to put the show online. We will do the actual upload, and I'll walk you through that process. I will show you how to publish the episode and get it released. We will do a final proof of everything, which is where we check and make sure that it is correct from a consumer point of view. And lastly, we'll talk about triage, what to do in case you've really screwed up and you have to pull the show. Lastly, we will have an exercise to do at the end of this. Now, one quick note before we get started is that we are going to be using a different episode for this uploading portion of the case study than we just finished in the editing portion. And the process is going to be very much the same, and I will still include a link to the one that I did with Luke, but we're going to be using a different episode, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. Now, you may notice, depending on when you finish Chapter 7, maybe it was 30 seconds before you started this, or maybe it's been longer. It's been about a month and a half for me between when I recorded that and when I'm recording this right now. My hair's longer, I may have tan depending on how good your monitor is. But basically, I had to disappear and direct a TV show in Sichuan. It was a lot of fun. It's not a bad problem to have. But it meant that I had to delay finishing this course. I didn't want to rush it out, and so I wanted to give you the very best course possible, which means that I've had to keep publishing my show. So I'm going with where I am right now in the timeline. So anyway, let's get into it.